Sometimes there is an action that you want your robot to repeat. For example, if you want your robot to move around a square, the robot will need to move forward and then turn right 4 times. To repeat that action, you could duplicate those 2 blocks 4 times. However, there is a better way. You can use the repeat C block. The repeat C block loops the blocks contained inside for a set number of times. Set the repeat C block to 4, and your robot will now move around the square. Sometimes you may want to repeat a set of actions forever. In this situation, you can use the forever C block. The forever C block is often used when using sensor feedback to make repeated decisions. Both the forever and the repeat C blocks enable you to repeat a set of actions.